Today I'm going to give you a few tips on how to maintain your hedges. You've got to get the right gear, and my mate Alex from the Stihl shop in Aussie Park can help you out there. Geez, this is nice and light.
Yeah, mate, little Stihl HS46. Perfect for this job you've got right here. Listen, Tim, I noticed a fairly big job down the front. I'm going to race back to the store and break out the big guns, mate.
Awesome.
I'll leave you to it.
Let's square this hedge up. The more often we prune, the more dense and compact it becomes, and that's really what we're after. So let's get stuck into it. For the topiary, I'd be using a really sharp pair of secateurs on that. If you're thinking about doing any major pruning, I'd be waiting until just pre-spring. Wow, that looks serious.
Oh, mate, this is the mighty Stihl combi engine.
Awesome.
And I've got the pole hedger attachment. We're going to go down and sort out that tree down the front of this block.
Great job.
Thanks, mate. It really does help having the right tools for the job.
It does. And if people need to find your gear and find you, how do they do that?
Mate, pop online, stillshoposbournepark.com.au. And likewise, mate, for the best landscaping advice,
tdl.com.au. See you next time.
cheers.